This integrand is a tricky one. Before we start to do it by integration by substitution, we shall do something with it. Then we shall divide both numerator and denominator by e power x. Divide numerator and denominator by e power x. What happens? We will write now. Integration e power 2x minus 1 by e power x. In the denominator also we shall divide by same. This dx as it is. What happens? Separately you write down e power 2x by e power x. 1 by e power x minus 1 by e power x. Same we shall do in the denominator. E power 2x by e power x plus 1 by e power x. This dx as it is. What happens? See here, e power 2x by e power x means e power 2x minus x means it becomes e power x. This is 1 by e power x can be written as e power minus x. Same way in the denominator. E power 2x by e power x means e power 2x minus x means e power x. Here 1 by e power plus x can be written as e power minus x. See, this is the formula we are using. E power 2x by e power x means e power 2x minus x. 2x minus x is x. This we are using here. Now, if you suppose the denominator as t, the numerator will be is differentiation. Now we shall suppose let e power x plus e power minus x is equal to t. Then d by dx of this e power x is e power x only. D by dx of e power minus x is e power minus x only, but d by dx of minus 1 is minus x is minus 1. Dx you have to write. What happens means e power x minus plus minus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, in the numerator e power x minus e power minus x dx can be written as dt. Here you change it. dt by this we suppose as t. dt by t means log t integration. Okay, plus c. Now whatever we suppose as t, substitute here. Log of mod t means we suppose e power x plus e power minus x plus c. This is the answer.